Where are we located? We're in the middle of the city of Kuala Lumpur. We really take care of our students.
Hi everyone, I'm Nas from your uni and we are here at the Big Bang.
Question number 2, what do you have to do?
So if you would like to know more and you'd like to register to our amazing representatives at your uni, you know where to find them.
Hi everyone, I'm Nas from your uni and we are here at the Big Bang. Unfortunately, it's not the Big Bang in London. We are here at the amazing Big Bang Academy Language Centre in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So this language centre is located just 8 minutes from the famous KLCC tower. So it's a very strategic location. Come, let's go check them out. We are here at the main lobby of the Big Bang Academy, and on the left side is the meeting room where if you have any questions about the class, a schedule or fees, there will be an officer here that will help you. And behind me, we have a waiting area where you can relax while waiting for your class. And if you're wondering what is the requirement to enroll at Big Bang, you only need just 3 things. Your passport, your high school certificate, and lastly, your personal picture with a white background. And then you can send it at the numbers down below where our consultants will guide you throughout the process. Everything is online. You don't need to come here for the documentation. And they also have a few classes behind me, but most of the classes will be upstairs. So let's go check them out. Big Bang offers 2 main types of classes, which is number 1, the group classes, which is the highly recommended and the most common one. The second one is the private classes, which provide one-on-one session with a teacher. So throughout the hallway, you can see the classes here mostly hold the group classes. We are currently at the 7th floor and the environment is very comfortable. In each classes, they have, as you can see there, a big monitor screen, a whiteboard, and it's air conditioned. In each classes, they will hold less than 20 students because they prioritize quality than quantity. And because of that, it will be easier for you to focus in class, easier for you to ask questions, and easier for the teacher to focus on you. In front of the classes, as you can see, they will put on each level, so it's easier for you to find each classes. For the famous countries in the world, we have Yemen, we have South Korea, they even put a little bit of logo there. Is quite interesting. And here we have ladies prayer and rest area. You can take breaks within classes, you can pray here, you can even relax. It's very comfortable. Come, let me show you. There's a sofa there, there's a prayer mat here, so it's quite calming and you can rest here. Welcome to one of the classes. As you can see, the setup here is not crowded at all. It's very comfortable, and as I've mentioned, you'll have a big monitor in your class as well as a whiteboard. The teacher will sit here and teach your class. Big Bang uses a British syllabus to teach in classes, which mainly focuses on reading, writing, listening, and grammar as well. And this Speak Up book will help the students to master all those 4 skills for them to learn. Big Bang has 6 levels based on the CFR. From elementary to proficiency, each level takes about 2 months to complete and around 12 months for you to graduate. Each classes will be held on weekdays from 9 AM to 3 PM and on Saturday from levels elementary to intermediate, they offer an optional class for you to master anything that you don't understand. And for the private class, students who prefer one-to-one teaching and flexibility, they can definitely enroll for the private classes. The class schedule will be based on your availability and you'll get the complete attention from the teacher.
Hi, my name is Leanne Yuen and I'm from Canada. I've been here since June, which is only about 3 months. Oh, it's been a great 3 months. This is a wonderful place to teach. There are many international students from Arab country, Korea, Japan, China. So we have a good range of students, so it's very exciting and interesting to teach. They're both very good because a classroom is very dynamic. You have a lot of interaction with groups of students. Private classes are very individualized, so students get the one-to-one that they so need, yeah? And we also have online classes, yeah? So we have a lot to offer at Big Ben. It can be in any parts of the world. We have many students who have started learning from here in classroom settings, and they go back home and they continue to wanting to learn. So we are very flexible. We accommodate to everyone who wishes to learn English. Another good point about private classes is like some students are shy to speak in class. So private classes offer them the opportunity to ask questions that they may otherwise not ask in class because they're shy or to speak out in group setting. So, and we can give them, the teacher can give them the full attention in a one-to-one class.
They also have classes for kids from the age 6 to 12 years old. The teachers here are specialized in teaching kids, so their classes will be more entertaining and comfortable. The material for the kids will be catered to their needs.
Hi, my name is Mohina. I'm from Uzbekistan. I've been here 2 years ago.
My name is Harry. I come from China. I've been in Malaysia for 1 month.
My name is Abdurrahman. I'm from Yemen. I have been here in Malaysia for 2 months.
My name is Ahmed. I am from Saudi Arabia. I've been here in Malaysia like about 2 weeks ago.
I choose Big Ben to study English because I think it's one of the best institutes here in Malaysia. Because there is a lot of students from other countries and they have another culture, and the teachers here, I think the best teachers in Kuala Lumpur here in Big Ben.
To be honest, my friend here recommended to me and he told me it's like a nice school. And when I came here, I see it like really it's a good school. Like all the teacher here is good. The building, it's designer building. Also have a lot of facility here in this building and also in the other building.
Because I believe the teacher in Big Ben is really nice, especially my English teacher. She's gentle, nice, and knowledgeable person.
My friends from my country recommended me. They said me are very good service, good location, good teachers.
The best country here because there is a lot of Muslims people here and they are kind, and there is a lot of places you can visit here.
Malaysia is a really great city because it is welcoming and friendly. There are a lot of friendly people. They are always optimistic, and I can make new friends in Malaysia.
Malaysia is a really nice country, specific Kuala Lumpur. Here in Kuala Lumpur, like it's a Islamic country. I feel like more comfortable than different places because I've been in different places or different countries. And here I feel I'm comfortable here. The weather is good, but it's kind of warm and wet, but also it's good. The people here in Malaysia, they are so friendly. if you want help, all the people they wanted to help you. Like, they are really so friendly here, because that I like Malaysia.
Yes, I traveled Langkawi, Penang, Baling, Genting Island. I love it because very beautiful winter, beautiful view, beautiful, nice food.
Most of the time, I just stay in Kuala Lumpur, so I never been other place. But I really think Kuala Lumpur is a really great city.
The food, they have all the kind of food here. Arabic food, Malaysian food, Asian food, a lot of kind of food, and also it's delicious food here.
There is a lot of kinds of food you can try it here. There is Arabic food, Chinese food, Malaysian food, Russian food, a lot of...
Okay, my favorite teacher is Teacher Selva. She's my teacher now, and I've been with her like about 2 weeks, and really I love her class. It's so nice.
My favorite teacher from my elementary class, Teacher Rama, and then now Teacher Salwa. I love her. She very positive. She give me mood, emotional also, and I don't feel boring when I learning English.
Hi, I'm Diane Jackson, and I am the principal here at Big Ben Academy. We truly stand out. We shine because apart from, from the beginning, where are we located? We're in the middle of the city of Kuala Lumpur, just a stone's throw from the Petronas Twin Towers. We really take care of our students. I really believe we go the extra mile to help them. From things as simple as getting off the plane, finding accommodation, things like that, to the academics. We use the most up-to-date academic materials from Pearson, and we have a range of activities that we do with them to enable them to reach their goals in all the skills, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So we have a rigorous academic program in the morning where they use called the IEP, the Intensive English Program, and that goes on for about 4 hours. And after lunch, then we will have English Club. So this is where we utilize the skills. For example, we have Writing Club, and after that we have the Speaking Club. So with these students who don't usually have the opportunity to speak English in their environments, they will have the opportunity to do so on a daily basis, so that they're building their skills, their confidence, and their proficiency in the language. So we do this. We also do wonderful activities with our students. We take them all over the place. We've been to Genting Highlands, to Port Dickson. They go to Sunway Lagoon, and just the other day we went bowling with our students. We had a competition. It was a lot of fun. Apart from that, we really mentor our students. We give them all sorts of encouragement and inspiration, motivation to just work for their goals. And this is incorporated in the IEP as well as the Skills Club. But we really want to see that they move on in life. We are very much future skills based because we can't really prepare students for today and expect them to be really in their element when they leave us. So we are future-based in that we're preparing them for the future. The writing skills will enable them, for example, in university, in a work environment, as well as the verbal activities that we do. Their oral skills are honed so that if they, for example, need to work for a company that says, "Are you able to speak English? Can you be our international representative?" We're on the ball. We're preparing them for this future. So I think for us, we really do go the extra mile to make sure our students are happy, healthy, and really well prepared. So if you would like to know more and you'd like to register with Big Ben Academy, then I encourage you to sign up and speak to our amazing representatives at your uni, you know where to find them.